For the last 6 months, you and me, Benny, have been metaphorically chained together. So it's fitting that at Road to Solution, you bring this chain and you don't just try to end my career. No, you try to end my life. Benny, you tried to take me away from my son. Benny, you tried to kill me. You tried to end my life, you son of a bitch. I don't have time for games anymore, Benny. There's no funny one-liners. There's no catchphrases anymore. It's just you and me. Benny, you want to bring this chain. You want to take this dog collar and you want to put it around my neck. Fine. But guess what? At the 17th anniversary, Benny, this is going to be attached to you. This is going to be attached to me. You want to be chained together? Let's be chained together. Because it's you and me in a dog collar match, Benny. It's you and me. It's one-on-one. It ends on December 7th. One way or the other. This ends on December 7th. Whether it's you or whether it's me, I don't care anymore. It ends. I'm over it. I'm done with it. I'm done with you. If you die, you die. If I die, I die. But one way or the other, it's over.